Welcome to Summary Writing for O-Level English Language in 4 easy steps. Welcome to the course. I'm so excited that you enrolled in this course that will teach you how to write the perfect summary for your O-Level English 1123 course. I am Ms. Abira Javed and I am an English teacher. I have been teaching English for over a decade. I prefer to teach English using interesting activities and I believe in empowering my students. In this course, we will learn my secret 4-step summary writing method to help you ace your summary writing question. You will discover the easiest way to write a summary in your own words without repeating the same ideas and without spending too much time figuring out how to score high marks in this question. In this course, I will share a summary writing question from past papers, model how to select key ideas and check their relevance, show you how to paraphrase them and change them into your own words, share tips and tricks to bring variation in your sentence structures, teach you how to bring cohesiveness in your summary by using transition words and phrases, and help you combine sentences using complex sentence structures. I hope you enjoyed this course. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to read a text to identify key ideas to include in your summary, check the relevance of the selected ideas to include in your summary, paraphrase, and finally write your summary. Not only this, but you will also be able to ace your O-level summary writing question. You will learn to apply examiner tips to write the perfect summary. You will end up writing a short and concise summary without repeating the same ideas.